All right, here we have the beaver families.
The Beverly Hillbillies.
Cool Beans, Jonine. What was yours, Phoenix? Gartrude. And Lucas got the, what'd you say? The Beaverly Hillbillies. Very good. Nice job.
Yeah, so a lot of metals were reflected back the other way, but copper will break it down and disintegrate it. So what I use them for, to go back to what I was saying, they're energy conductors. They pick up electricity. We as human beings have electricity running through our body.
Enzymes are like buzzing, like, oh, what is happening to me today?
Power of the
It's
sprout.
great. That's it. That's the whole idea.
Manja, manja. You can eat those all day.
Hey, okay.
Yeah, I get it.
Please, everybody
Munching,
all line up.
munching.
The Peas and Microgreens magazine, where the senior citizens look at, and they want to know what's good and healthy that the young people are eating.
That's
Because I'm gonna